The title of this book is Winnie the Pooh's A to Z's. It's written by Don Ferguson and illustrated by Bill Langley and Diana Wakeman. A is for acorn. From atop an oak tree in a 100-acre wood, a little acorn fell right where Pooh Bear stood. B is for bears. Some bears growl, some bears snort, but Pooh Bear is the humming sort. C is for carrots. Carrots are so good to munch. Rabbit grows them by the bunch. D is for door. In spring, Pooh's door is open wide to let the sunshine come inside. E is for Eeyore. Eeyore's gray, although it's true. He's frequently a little blue. He does look a little blue there. F is for footprints. Our footprints always follow us on days when it's been snowing. They always show us where we've been, but never where we're going. G is for gopher. Hello, says Gopher to Winnie the Pooh. I've just come up to visit you. H is for honey. My favorite snack, says Winnie the Pooh, is 1 jar of honey. Or possibly 2. I is for ice skates. Though others give him funny glances, on ice skates, Pooh Bear takes no chances. Oh, look. He put a pillow on his back so when he falls it won't hurt. J is for jump. Run-tee-tittle turn. Tittle-tum-too. When Kangoo jumps, so does Roo. Well, Roo's riding in her pouch, isn't he? K is for kite. When the blustery autumn breezes blow, up in the air, kites and piglets go. L is for ladder. A ladder is helpful going up and down trees when hunting for honey or running from bees. M is for mirror. The Pooh in the mirror's quite clever, says Pooh. He knows how to copy whatever I do. N is for nose. Why have we, do you suppose? 2 eyes, 2 ears, but just 1 nose. O is for owl. Owl likes to talk a lot. He's really quite a bore. He tells Pooh everything he knows, and sometimes even more. P is for Piglet. Piglet is so very small, sometimes he can't be seen at all. Oh, I think I see his ears. Q is for quilt. Let it snow and let it storm. Under his quilt, Pooh is cozy and warm. R is for rabbit. Rabbit is so very busy. Watching him makes Pooh Bear dizzy. S is for seesaw. Never make a seesaw date with a bear who's overweight. T is for Tigger. Though winter's here and birds don't sing, Tigger's tail still has its spring. U is for umbrella. Clever Pooh is now afloat in his own umbrella boat. V is for vest. Piglet's vest is warm and snug. It fits him like an all-day hug. W is for woozle. There's nothing to fear from a woozle, it seems. They're only found in Pooh Bear's dreams. X is for xylophone. Pooh's made a honey pot xylophone, and oh, it has the sweetest tone. Y is for yawn. Put on your nightcap, you old sleepyhead. A yawn is what your face does to say it's time for bed. Z is for Z's. A sound that Pooh makes frequently begins and ends with the letter Z. Look. The end.